Kinsta Managed WordPress is one of the top-tier options for hosting your WordPress website, but before you commit, there are a few key things you should know. In this video, we're going to break down 12 critical factors to consider before purchasing Kinsta and how it stacks up against its competitors. First off, Kinsta offers premium managed WordPress hosting with a focus on speed, security, and customer support. But does it justify the price tag? Well, it's definitely on the higher end of the spectrum compared to competitors like Bluehost or SiteGround. Kinsta is tailored for users who want a hassle-free experience with fewer technical concerns. Next thing, let's talk about performance. Kinsta runs on Google Cloud's premium network, which means you're getting some of the fastest load times available. While other hosting services like Bluehost or HostGator offer solid performance, Kinsta goes the extra mile, making it ideal for high-traffic sites or those looking for top-tier performance. The third thing you should know is about pricing. Kinsta's pricing is higher than most, starting at $35 per month for the most basic plan. If you're just starting out or running a small blog, this might be more than you need. Services like Bluehost or SiteGround have cheaper entry-level plans, but Kinsta's pricing is justified by its premium features. The fourth thing is Kinsta's focus on customer support. This is one area where it truly shines. 24/7 support is available via live chat, and their staff are WordPress experts, which means you're getting more knowledgeable help compared to the general customer service teams from other hosting providers. Next, Kinsta includes automatic daily backups on all plans, which is a huge plus for peace of mind. While other hosts might offer backups, Kinsta takes it a step further by providing backups every 24 hours and allowing you to restore any point with ease. The sixth thing to note is scalability. Kinsta is designed to grow with you. It offers a variety of plans that can handle increasing traffic, and with Google Cloud as the backbone, your site can scale seamlessly. Competitors like SiteGround also offer scalability, but Kinsta's architecture is generally more robust for sites that experience rapid growth. Seventh, Kinsta provides a free SSL certificate with every plan, ensuring your site is secure from the start. While many hosts offer SSL certificates, Kinsta ensures the process is automatic and easy to implement, unlike some others that make it more complicated. Next, Kinsta provides a built-in content delivery network, or CDN, for faster global access. While many providers offer CDNs, Kinsta makes it simple to implement without the need for third-party plugins or complex configurations. The ninth thing to consider is that Kinsta is optimized for developers. If you're someone who wants to dive into the technical side, Kinsta offers features like SSH access, staging environments, and even Git integration, which is a huge plus over basic shared hosting plans that lack these tools. The 10th thing is the user interface. Kinsta has a clean and intuitive dashboard, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate. Compared to other hosting providers, Kinsta's dashboard is more streamlined and polished. Now let's talk about uptime. Kinsta guarantees 99.9% uptime, and in our tests, they've delivered. While some hosts like HostGator may offer a similar uptime guarantee, Kinsta's performance in this area is solid, which is crucial for any business that relies on its website being online all the time. 12th, Kinsta does have limitations. Unlike some competitors that offer unlimited storage and bandwidth, Kinsta has set limits depending on the plan you choose. While these limits should be sufficient for most sites, it could be a downside for those with massive traffic or very large websites. Kinsta is a great managed WordPress hosting option if you're willing to pay for premium speed, security, and support. However, if you're looking for a better option with more affordable pricing or additional features, we've found an alternative that you can try for free. Check out our recommended solution in the description below.